We got a thunderstorm, and today is our Gothic Lord King Cobra's birthday. So let's do a black smoke by legend for him in the thunderstorm. Yeah, rock on, dude. That's most definitely what's up, dude. Fuck yeah, that's cool. Happy birthday, Josh. Woo! Got some lightning right there. That's what's up. That's most definitely what's up, tubes. Nature's fireworks along with our fireworks. Man, that's really cool. That put out a pretty big freaking black smoke cloud. There's more lightning. Again, happy birthday, KingCobraJFS. Rock on forever, legend. Rest in peace, buddy.